Hi everyone. Today we're going to cover how you can share your social posts, whether they've been published or they're in draft form. Let's begin in our content calendar, which you can access by clicking the social media and then choosing the publishing tab. Now let's go to a post that's already published, clicking these three dots and then choosing share. This window will pop open, which will give you a couple of different options. With the first option, you can share the link to the post on the social platform itself. You can copy this link by using this icon here, and it will look like this once it's opened. So this link has taken you directly to the social platform that this post has published on. With the second option, you can use this link to share internally with either your clients or your team members. You can copy it using the same icon, and when opened, it will look like this, so you're still within the Simplified app. And lastly, you can use this third option to use this link to share externally with anyone, even someone who doesn't have a Simplified account. All you have to do is toggle this on, copy it using the same icon, and it will look like this when it is opened. Now let's move on and talk about sharing drafts. First, to access our drafts, we'll want to come to this planning tab here, and then making sure that we're in our drafts. Let's say this is the post that I want to share. I'm going to use this down arrow and then choose the share option. Here you'll see two different options. The first option is an internal link, which means that you can share this with anyone who is part of your workspace. Use that icon again to copy the link, and this is what it will look like when it's opened. If you share this internal link with anyone, they'll be able to comment, they'll be able to request approval and make edits to this post. The second option is a preview link for anyone who doesn't have a Simplified account. All you have to do is toggle this on, copy it using that icon again, and this is what it will look like when it's opened. This is a great tool to use if you're trying to send a post to a client to get approval for, but they don't have a Simplified account. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's content calendar can simplify your social media. See you there.